In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo background in Canva in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to freshen up your photo for a presentation or a social media post, altering backgrounds can make a significant impact on your image's appeal. The best part is, this process will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's dive right in. To start things off, you'll want to have your desired image open in Canva. Once you've got it on your screen, simply click on the image. This action will select the image and bring up editing options on the toolbar, allowing you to make the necessary modifications. It's a simple click, but an important one, as it ensures you're ready to make changes specifically to that photo. Next, you'll be looking for the BG Remover tool. It's a handy feature, but do note that it comes as part of Canva Pro, which means you'll need a subscription to access it. If you haven't made the leap to Canva Pro yet, don't worry too much. Canva offers a free 30-day trial of the Pro version, which you might find helpful to explore, especially if you're trying this out for the first time. Once you've got access to the BG Remover, go ahead and click on it and let Canva work its magic. Within just a few seconds, you'll see the background of your photo fade away, leaving you with a clean, transparent backdrop. Now that you've removed the background, it's time to get creative and add a new one. To do this, navigate to the Elements tab in Canva's side panel. Clicking on Elements will open a plethora of options and visuals you can incorporate into your design. You're specifically seeking the perfect background to complement your image. In the Elements search bar, type in Background. This search will present you with a whole array of background images, everything from beautiful nature landscapes to modern abstract patterns. Take your time to browse through the options. Finding one that aligns with your vision for the image can be a fun part of the process. Once you've found the background that appeals to you, click on it, and it will appear in your design space. From here, select the background image, drag it, and place it on your canvas. You have the freedom to adjust its size or positioning to suit your needs. To ensure it fits perfectly, right-click on the image to bring up an additional menu of options. Choose Set Image as Background. This option will automatically place your selected image behind your main subject, giving it a new backdrop in one smooth move. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your final product to ensure everything looks as you intended. You can make further tweaks if necessary, adjusting colors or sizes for that perfect finish. And there you have it, a brand new background for your photo using Canva, achieved in just a few minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel empowered to explore more creative possibilities in your designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing.